Okay, so this is the 6 stock that I would like to show you this week. So keep in your checklist and modify, and let me go to one by one, and so that you can see in terms of technical analysis, and then you can keep it up and watch out. So the first one we go to talk about is the SCSW, which is Chow swap. The financial market is pretty strong in the last couple of months, as you can see. And with the more money coming to the financial market, if the Congress they approve another budget bill and the more money come out, then the stock market will move up. So the financial will take advantage of that. So one of the stock here is the Chow swap, the ticker SCHW. This stock they run up very strong here. Right now they are still hold high. If they can clear up this resistance here in the future, this one will be a next target for Chow swap, and it is a next target in the future. If you look at the technical analysis on this chart, you can see that after it run up in the beginning of 2025, they pull back. Now they are trying to fight back up. So this is the first way up. So in terms of technical analysis, this one it looked like that wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then we have to have one more wave 5 to hit to the target one. As long as the market is still hold on to the high low, the stock will still move higher. So right now the stock is still trending upward. Right? If you look at technical analysis, the stock will take wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So as long as the stock is still up to the support, we still take an uptrend. But if the stock take the low here, then it means that okay, it will be some problem, and this is where they are going to retrace before they can pull back up. But as long as they hold up to the upper trend line here, they still stay about the moving average, everything is still look good to the upside. The next one we want to talk about is ARKK. This is one of the ETF for Cathy Wood. As you can see that this one here, this ETF is still pretty strong after they pull back down, and now we're able to make it high low and continue to the upside. So we have a big gap here to be filled, and we also have a sell zone on the top here. So as long as very similar, they were trending upward here. So as long as they still stay about this upper trend line, this stock will continue to hit to the top here and test the sell zone here. If they knock out the sell zone here, they still have a potential to the upside. But at this moment, this is a short-term target that we are looking forward for a ticker symbol ARKK. And you can also look at this stock, they are still trending upward. All right, they're still high low, still high low. This stock is still to the upside, and the moving average is still hold them very well, and they'll be able to turn to a positive mode after short-term moving average cross over long-term moving average. So the trend is still uptrend. The next stock is IBM. So this stock is one of the strong technology stock. They have been successfully build up one couple handle, and now they try to build another couple handle. So right now they are testing the high here. So if this stock be able to break out this multiple top here, the IBM will still have a chance to put it up in the future to the target one in this area here. Or if it's strong in the future, IBM is still very strong stock that they can have more potential to go higher. So this is another big couple handle formation. So you have to wait for this one to be successfully break out, and then maybe retest, and then they will continue to put it up to the upside. So far this one they have been doing twice on a couple of handle already, and they are still a bigger base here. So if they can break out successfully, this stock is still very potential for the future. Next one is Nvidia. So Nvidia right now is still pretty strong, as you can see, after they pull back, and now they're able to break out the downtrend line, and they continue to make it high low to the upside. So the first target that we are looking for in this area here, because this is the first sell zone that we have to deal with. So this stock has been run up since the last recommendation that we show you. So now this one here is still try to test in the sell zone here. So this is the key level. If they are strong enough, they can break out. Otherwise, this is the first target, and then they have to pull back before they can go higher into the future. So as long as this stock is still hang tight above the moving average, okay, so we have a good side here because of the momentum turned to the bull side after the short-term moving average caught over long-term moving average here, and then we still head north, and the trend line here still hold them up. As long as they stay about this, the stock will still have a room to move higher in the future. Especially the AI still a big thing right now in terms of the technology. The next one here is KLAC. That's another semiconductor stock. So this stock is a little bit choppy since 2024 and 25, but after they stabilize here and the momentum turned to the bull side, this stock will try to head north here. So we still have a multiple sell zone here that we failed to break through before, but if they can hold on to this momentum, and we still have a chance to put through this level here and retest the bigger sell zone here, which is the upper T2 here. Okay, so this is another semiconductor. This one looks pretty strong behind Nvidia, which is also a semiconductor sector. Next one is Amazon. Amazon come back very strong after they heading south, but it found support in the buy zone. So now the stock could be able to break out that trend line, and now they hit here. So we have a 1 wave 2 and wave 3, wave 4, and if the momentum turn to the bull side here, so if they can continue to push it up, definitely we will tap the first target up here, which is in this area here. And if they continue to punch through it, we can retest the sell zone up here. So that's the two targets that we have a potential for this stock. In order to protect this stock, as long as they stay above the upper trend line here, the stock is still bullish. Okay, but if they break below here, that's something go wrong with this stock. So as the investor, we will stick with the trend line. As long as they move high, low, we still stick with the uptrend until they hit to the target. And let's see what they're going to do in that level. Okay, so that's the all the stock I have for you for this week. So monitor it to see how it look like, and put in your checklist and follow up to see how they are doing in the next month here.